Hello and welcome to Zoom. I'm creating this short tutorial to show you how to log into Zoom and how to use the features available to participants once you are logged into Zoom. And if you're on a PC, all you have to do is click on the link. If you'd like to use Zoom on a phone or a tablet, then you will need to download the app. Otherwise, you're good to go. So I'm going to join a Zoom meeting that I have an invitation for in an email, and I'm going to click this link. It should come up in your browser or prompt you to open the app, and you will open Zoom. And now I am logged into Zoom, but I'm not sharing my audio or my camera, and so show you. Right here I have the option to do that. Now it may prompt you to join audio when you first enter. You can join with or without video, join with your computer audio, with your microphone or your headset audio, so you can choose those settings, and you can always change those with these menus here. So if I want to unmute myself, I can click this button. If I want to start my video, I can click on this button, and then you can see the participants windows here. Now with this, you're going to want to choose this speaker view so that whoever is speaking is the largest view on the screen. Otherwise, you'll see everybody's pictures lined up side by side, and it will be harder to keep track of who's speaking. So I recommend speaker view. You have some options down here. For chat, you can open the chat box and type messages to whatever participants. You can choose everyone, or you can send to specific people if you want to. You can share links and files in the chat. You see this recording button here. There's no need to choose that. All of our meetings will be recorded, so you don't have to worry about recording them or clicking on that in this session. You have the options to give reactions if you want to in our classes. And if at any point you're having trouble with your audio or your video, you can go to these menus. So this option gives you all of the settings for your microphone or your headset or your computer audio. You can go to audio settings and test your speakers and your microphone to make sure everything's working okay. And you can do the same thing with your video settings here. You can use an integrated camera or set up a separate webcam if you need to with those features. Zoom is pretty easy to use. There's not a whole lot of features that you'll have access to here, so you shouldn't have any trouble. But if you have any questions, please let me know.